Hello everyone, I am Dr. Devin Miles. I'm a naturopathic doctor and I provide natural solutions to my clients in the areas of prevention, gastrointestinal disorders, and kidney disease. It was through my own struggles with digestive issues, including constipation, that helped me to embark on a journey into natural medicine. And I use natural methods to achieve regularity. So I would love to give you some tips today on how to improve constipation. So the topic of today is cooking with constipation. So a few basic things that I want to implement first. In addition to cooking is synergistic with other things. So 30 minutes of cardio per day. A simple 30-minute walk is really all you need to really get things moving. There are some people who are in professions where they just walk throughout the day, but it's not a continuous movement. And I've been in situations like that where I was starting and stopping a lot throughout the day. And even though that would help, I saw greater benefit in terms of a continuous walk. So I would definitely encourage you to implement 30 minutes of cardio per day, as well as 8 glasses of water at a minimum. Drinking more like half your body weight in ounces would be better, but at least at a minimum get 8 glasses of water a day. Sipping may not be the best for constipation, so you may have to figure out what works better for you. For me, what I noticed was particularly helpful, in addition to just drinking water, was to drink a lot of it at one time. So about 16 to 24 ounces at one time created a better force to help push the contents of my food down. And then sleep for 7 to 8 hours per day. Especially if you know that the constipation that you're struggling with has any type of stress component, sleep can be very restorative in that sense. In addition to cooking, I wanted to also talk about teas. There's different reasons why someone may have constipation. So addressing the liver and the gallbladder and any gas buildup is important for helping to eliminate properly. So some teas that are helpful for the liver would be dandelion leaf, gentian root, and burdock root. For the gallbladder would be peppermint, and for gas would be peppermint and ginger. If you have a buildup of gas, it can keep things from moving freely out of the intestines, so keep that in mind when you're looking at why am I constipated. Some spices to include in your cooking that help with constipation and overall digestive function would be ginger, cayenne, oregano, cumin, and coriander. A great vegetable to include in your smoothies, which most people do anyway, but would be spinach. And why? It's because it's high in magnesium. And magnesium helps to draw water into the intestines, which is helpful for elimination. In the areas of food itself, foods that are high in fiber and foods that are high in water. So foods that are high in fiber would be fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, nuts, and seeds. An example of something that's high in water would be watermelon. Watermelon happens to be high in fiber and water, so that is a great fruit to have like first thing in the morning to help things to start moving better within your intestines. Also, what you put in and what you put out, both of those, what you put in and what you take out are both important. So high amounts of grains, meat, flour, food sensitivities, constant eating or overeating, you want to reduce all of these so that what you're putting in can have a greater effect. Some common food sensitivities are gluten, dairy, soy, egg, nuts, seeds, and white sugar. So even though you may not know your particular food sensitivities, if you avoided some of these, you're probably going to see benefit because they tend to be reactive foods for a lot of different people. And then lastly, results. When to expect some benefit from this. 3 days to about 3 weeks. It varies per person. So let's say you do all of these things, you see some improvements in constipation, but you would like to push that needle a little bit further. Maybe you were at once a week going to the bathroom and now you're at 3 or 4 times per week. But I would love to see you going at least once a day. Go ahead and schedule an appointment with me. We can help to reduce your constipation and help you feel lighter on a more consistent basis. Thanks for watching.